We're back with another 2hollis video. Today we're going to be making something similar to Light, his latest track. Last video I uploaded for 2hollis did really well, so thought I'd give another shot. We're posting in like a different format today, so please be patient, like just trying different ways to be creative and create content. So let me know if you like this style, and all project files will be in Patreon as well to show some love, and yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, this melody is in F minor. The chord progression for this is 1, 7, 5, 6, 6. To take full advantage of your chord progression, head to the scale section on the left here on Ableton, press scale, and choose the exact key and what scale you want it to be in. So a little trick I've sort of learned is that once you know your chord progression and you lay down your root notes, you can create like just easy chords from that, just to like spark up some ideas, or even just to create a final like chord, really. I'll show you what I mean. So what you can do, right, is as long as you establish your chord progression, right, with your root notes here, move your root note up 7 semitones or 6 semitones and repeat that, and you can create like a simple foundation of a chord, which is pretty cool. And with those chords we have an EQ here, just cutting out some lows and highlighting the highs, as well as a Valhalla supermassive with the preset dark matter. Main melody needed more like oomph texture, really, so I just added a chord preset from Serum and copied the notes. Just got some simple hard hitting drums here. In the intro snare I used the Mimo for Real perk. Every second hit of that perk, I just pitched it down 10 semitones. Besides the kick, I have chopped up just a perk loop from the Trinity drum kit of Synthetic and Dinox, and also grabbed a crash and impact from the Ved H drum kit. We got the intro down, so now we're going to do the build up and then the drop. Alright, the next two chord layers are the same exact chords as before. So the last element of the build up is essentially just the pluck melody, the main melody, but I got rid of the bottom notes, just kept the top line melody for that sound, and then also copied that over into the chord Destiny sound from Somatic's Voltage EDM pack on Serum. So for the drop, what I did was I grabbed all the sounds we created today, I chopped them up so we have a gap in between each section, and then I placed the top line melody in the gaps between the chords to give it that energy and that movement. So the drums in the drop are very similar to the pre-build-up or the verse. We only just have a new clap in the 4 on clap section here, and also just a perk loop and a crash